As you can see this side, we are still in the process of steel reinforcement rebar installation. You can see the work of vertical building elements. This is for the columns. Installation of vertical columns. Here we go. And then on the same level, this is the first floor. For the other side, we have done formwork for the other columns. You can see the carpenters are trying to set it to level. They are trying to set that column to level. On the other side, yes, you can see other formwork for other columns. Here we go. For the lift core, it will be done within the course of the day, probably tomorrow. It is a big structure, it's a big story building. Now, we are finalizing formwork for vertical building element, that is for the columns. We are finalizing before the process of concreting to kick off, probably tomorrow. You can see it's a big structure. That is what is current on process. And more to come, more updates, more comments, and like, share. Please subscribe, share, comment. I need to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much. Have a good time.